The 2026 Cadillac Fleetwood Hellcat is one of the most anticipated vehicles in the automotive world, blending the luxury and prestige of Cadillac with the raw power of the legendary Hellcat engine. It's not just a car, it's a statement. From its aggressive styling to its performance capabilities, this car has raised the bar for what we expect from a high-end American vehicle. Cadillac's rich legacy of luxury is now combined with the wild performance of Dodge's most famous muscle car engine, creating an iconic hybrid of opulence and power. Cadillac, a name long synonymous with luxury, has always been a brand that stood at the forefront of innovation. From its early days as a symbol of wealth and status to its more modern incarnations, Cadillac has always prided itself on being ahead of the curve. But this time, they've taken it a step further by introducing something truly remarkable: the 2026 Cadillac Fleetwood Hellcat. To understand what this car is all about, we need to break down both what makes it unique and how it draws inspiration from its predecessors. First, let's talk about the design. The 2026 Fleetwood Hellcat takes cues from the Cadillac Fleetwood's illustrious history. This nameplate has always represented the peak of luxury, with smooth lines and sophisticated features. However, for 2026, Cadillac has completely reimagined the Fleetwood in a way that reflects the modern era. The body is sleek, low, and aggressive, with wide fenders that give it a stance that screams performance. The front grille is massive, with sharp, angular elements that nod to the Hellcat's menacing demeanor while still holding onto Cadillac's traditional elegance. The long, flowing roofline retains that old-school Fleetwood vibe, but now it's more dynamic, giving the car an unmistakable presence on the road. The rear of the vehicle is just as impressive. The tail lights are thin and precise, wrapping around the corners of the car, giving it a futuristic, almost stealth-like appearance. The quad exhaust tips poke out from the rear bumper, signaling that this is not just a luxury cruiser, but a high-performance machine capable of unleashing serious power. Cadillac has really nailed the balance between elegance and muscle. They've kept the iconic Fleetwood silhouette but injected a dose of modern aggression that makes the car look like it's ready to strike at a moment's notice. Underneath this stunning exterior, the 2026 Fleetwood Hellcat houses some serious performance machinery. At the heart of this car lies the famed 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine that has been the defining feature of the Dodge Hellcat lineup. The Hellcat engine is known for its raw power, and in this Cadillac, it's tuned to perfection. With over 700 horsepower and an earth-shattering amount of torque, this engine allows the Fleetwood Hellcat to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 3.5 seconds. This is an astonishing feat for a car of this size and luxury, and it's something that really sets the Fleetwood Hellcat apart from its competitors. It's not just a luxury sedan, it's a full-fledged performance machine that can keep up with some of the fastest cars on the planet. Coupled with this engine is an 8-speed automatic transmission that delivers power to all four wheels, ensuring that the Fleetwood Hellcat can handle whatever challenges the road throws at it. Whether you're cruising down a smooth highway or tackling a twisty mountain road, the all-wheel drive system provides exceptional grip and stability. The ride is surprisingly smooth for a car that packs so much power, thanks to advanced suspension technology that allows the vehicle to absorb bumps and rough patches with ease. The 2026 Cadillac Fleetwood Hellcat is more than just muscle under the hood. Though, inside, it's a sanctuary of luxury. Cadillac's designers have pulled out all the stops to create an interior that rivals some of the finest in the automotive world. The seats are upholstered in the finest leather, with meticulous stitching and high-quality materials that create a truly premium experience. The dashboard is sleek and modern, featuring a large digital display that integrates the car's navigation, media, and performance information all in one place. It's a high-tech cockpit that's designed for those who demand the best. One of the standout features of the 2026 Fleetwood Hellcat's interior is its cutting-edge infotainment system. Cadillac has partnered with some of the best tech companies to bring the latest and greatest features to this car. The system is intuitive and easy to use, offering voice control, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, as well as a 360-degree camera system that gives the driver a complete view of their surroundings. Additionally, the sound system is nothing short of extraordinary, with high-end speakers delivering crystal clear sound that makes every drive feel like a concert on wheels. While the interior is all about luxury, the exterior is all about performance. The Fleetwood Hellcat's aerodynamics are carefully designed to ensure that the car cuts through the air with minimal drag. The front splitter and rear spoiler provide downforce, keeping the car planted at high speeds and ensuring that it stays stable in corners. The wide stance not only enhances the car's appearance but also improves handling, making the Fleetwood Hellcat a true driver's car that delivers thrills at every turn. Another key aspect of the 2026 Fleetwood Hellcat is its advanced safety features. Cadillac has always been at the forefront of safety technology, and the Fleetwood Hellcat is no exception. The car is equipped with a suite of sensors, cameras, and radar systems that provide a 360-degree view of the car's surroundings. This enables the car to offer features like automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring. These features help to make driving the Fleetwood Hellcat not only thrilling but also safe and secure. The 2026 Fleetwood Hellcat also comes with a range of customizable options. Cadillac has always prided itself on offering a wide range of choices for customers, and this car is no different. From custom interior colors and materials to bespoke exterior finishes, the Fleetwood Hellcat can be tailored to fit the unique tastes of its owner. Whether you prefer a more classic look or something more modern and daring, there's a configuration that's perfect for you. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Fleetwood Hellcat is in a league of its own. This car can tackle the quarter mile in just over 11 seconds, which is an extraordinary time for a vehicle that's not just focused on performance but also luxury. The powerful engine and all-wheel drive system work in tandem to give the car a launch that feels almost effortless. At high speeds, the car feels incredibly stable, with the handling and braking performance of a true sports car. This isn't just a luxury sedan with a Hellcat engine thrown in, it's a high-performance machine that's been meticulously engineered to offer the best of both worlds. But what does this all mean for Cadillac? The 2026 Fleetwood Hellcat represents a bold new direction for the brand. It shows that Cadillac is not afraid to push boundaries and experiment with new ideas. The combination of luxury and performance is a winning formula, and the Fleetwood Hellcat is a testament to Cadillac's commitment to innovation. By combining the legendary Hellcat engine with the opulence and sophistication that Cadillac is known for, the Fleetwood Hellcat sets a new standard for what's possible in the luxury car segment. In conclusion, the 2026 Cadillac Fleetwood Hellcat is an extraordinary vehicle that combines the best of two worlds, the refined luxury that Cadillac is famous for and the heart-pounding performance of the Hellcat engine. It's a car that turns heads and delivers an experience that's as thrilling as it is comfortable. Whether you're looking for a high-performance car that can go toe-to-toe with the best, or a luxurious ride that offers all the bells and whistles, the Fleetwood Hellcat is a car that checks all the boxes. It's a bold move for Cadillac, but one that pays off in spades. If this is the future of luxury cars, then the future is looking incredibly bright. The 2026 Cadillac Fleetwood Hellcat is more than just a car, it's a symbol of what's possible when innovation, performance, and luxury come together. If you're looking for a vehicle that pushes the boundaries of what a luxury sedan can be, this is the one to watch. With its stunning design, blistering performance, and cutting-edge technology, the Fleetwood Hellcat is a vehicle that will undoubtedly leave its mark on the automotive world for years to come. It's a true masterpiece that deserves all the attention it's getting, and then some.